Hello guys, welcome back. In this section, I'm gonna show you how to use many-to-many relationships. We are finished basically in the section the database relationships from Django. Okay, so this is the last relationship that we're going to show. So if we go here into the documentation, we have the last one that's a many-to-many relationship. This kind of relationship is used when you have basically database registers that can be assigned to multiple models, and every model can be assigning multiples of objects many to many. For example, to make it clear, we can have sales items. For example, we are last class we created this sales model, so one client can have multiple sales, but one sale just can have one client. Okay, so that's the thing. But with many to many relationship, let's assume that we have sales item. One item can be in multiple sales, and one sale can have multiple items. Okay, to make it clear, let's create here one class called sale item. Okay, or just item or product I think could be better. So models.model. Okay, so we're gonna have the description. So models dot char field and max length of 100 characters, price, and decimal field. We can have taxes. What else we can have? I think it's okay. We have everything that we need already. So let's define str attribute that will return self dot description. Okay, and then here in sale, okay, you should create the field where you want to assign multiple objects. Okay, so I go here in sale and I create products. Okay, and then I do models dot many to many field. Let me check it out. Many to many field. Yeah, exactly. And then I will say what product, what class I want to reference it. As well, I want to enable this class to be null and blank null. Okay, because I might have one sale with no products, because it could be creating or be in the middle of something while the salesman is with the client talking about and preparing the sale, so it might happen. Okay, good. And then now what we need to do is I'll left my I'll go out from my shell, Django shell, and then I'll do make migrations, as we know. So here we see that it created the model and as well created the sale class. Okay, and then I'll do migrate and I'll run the server as we did before. I will import it here, item, and as well I will uh, register that right here. Okay, so that's it. It's complaint. Oh, it's not item, sorry, it's product and product. Go. Okay, and then I'll go to my Django admin here in core. Now I have sales and products. Okay, so I'll create a new product, like milk, price, and taxes. Okay, if you go now to sales, and I need to add this field, products right here. Oh, sorry, and save. If I refresh the page, look for what I got. Django will provide me a list of products that I can select and assign to my product. Okay, so let me do like create more, like orange, price and taxes, and as well bananas, banana, price and taxes. Okay, so if we see here, hold down Ctrl or Command on Mac to select more than one. So let's say that this sale just have two products. So automatically I will click Command and select that would be assign it and attach it to this sale. Okay, if I save it here, and if I go back, I have just the products that I selected assigned to this sale. If I do the same with another sale, I get the same result. Okay, easy peasy. Okay, so let's have a look on the shell. What Django brings to us with the shell. So from clients, core dot models, import everything. And if I do sale now, I'll get the last sale. If I do year of S, okay, now I have the product something. Let me look for that. Sale number, total, get previews by date, full clean, delete, products. So I have products right there. And then if I do s.products, it bring to me .all. It bring to me the list of products that this sale has. If I do the opposite, if I do p products dot objects dot I'll get the last one as well, product, and then if I do dir of p, I can get the same with sale. So I can have the sale set. If I do so, I can see in which sale this product is included, who bought this, every in my whole database, who bought this product. So if I do p dot sale set dot all, I can see that this project was sold in this sale and in this sale. Easy peasy, no guys. Very very nice way to do with with just few lines of code. In Django is taking care of basically everything for us. Okay, so that's it for this class. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you implemented the many-to-many field in your machine. I hope it is working fine. But as you know, if it's not working, left your question right below that I'm gonna help you for sure. Okay, see you next class. Bye guys, bye bye.